Hi, I'm Aileen from PureGear, and today I'm going to show you how to install our curved tempered glass using our easy-to-use perfect alignment tray. Our curved tempered glass features a case-friendly fit, is bubble-free, has industry-leading touch and swipe precision, and of course, is scratch-resistant. Before we begin, make sure you remove any cases or existing screen protection from your device. The first thing we're going to do is clean our device thoroughly of any dust or debris using the provided cleaning kits. We'll start with the alcohol wipe and clean off the phone. Then use the cleaning cloth to dry it off. Lastly, use the dust removal sticker to catch any remaining dust or debris. Now we're ready to install our glass. Let's put our device into the perfect alignment tray. Next, we're going to remove the protective film from the back of the glass. To do this, locate tabs A and B. While holding tab A firmly, peel off the protective film using tab B. We'll discard the film. Now, slowly pull tab A over your device and align with the indentation on the bottom of the tray. Next, press your index finger down on the center of the screen firmly, and using your other hand, slide your finger around the edges of the screen protector. This will secure the screen protector to the device. Because our glass is curved, we want to make sure we secure it even further by pressing firmly and sliding our fingers from top to bottom on both sides of the device. Let's go ahead and do that. Go over it a few times and you should be good. Let's slowly peel back tab A and tear it from the tray. Now, we're going to carefully remove the device from the tray by pushing through the hole on the back. Finally, with the phone out of the tray, let's again use our finger and slide along the border of the screen protector. This will further secure it in case we miss the spot.
Please note, some Android devices have touchscreen sensitivity settings. Please refer to your user manual to optimize your touch sensitivity experience.
And that's it. Super easy. Now you're ready to start using your device. Remember, PureGear curved tempered glass comes with a lifetime warranty. If your glass screen protector gets damaged, simply visit pure-gear.com/warranty to learn more. For more information on PureGear and any of our other products, visit us at pure-gear.com.